Hey guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling here on Koh Phangan in Thailand. This is Hadrin Beach. The full moon party goes on right around here somewhere. This bungalow I am staying in is a party pad for the full moon party. There's that fluorescent paints everywhere and stuff. But I just wanted to show you this $15 a night bungalow I got here. I'm here 4 nights, so it's like $60 for 4 nights. So you know, not ridiculously expensive at all. Bathroom, nothing special, except for the super hot water. They must actually have a boiler here instead of one of those silly on-demand ones that everybody else uses. But let's give you a quick look at here. Nothing, like I said, nothing too special. A lot of rules: don't break stuff, you know. 2 fans, clutch. Like I said, good score. I probably wouldn't stay here again just because there's so many other awesome places on the island, probably for around the same price, I'm pretty sure anyways. But I'm just going to take you guys through here and down through the restaurant and onto the beach, and then we're going to head, it'll be that way. And I got the drone with me, and I might take a swim, and we're just going to see what's going on today. That's about it. And I'm going to grab my stuff up here and then head on out, and I'll show you guys around a little bit. Like I said, it's pretty nice. I got a little porch here. You know, I was hanging out with some people here last night. Butt can. So overall, pretty sweet spot. There's a lot of nice places on this island though, so you know, you can pick and choose. So all right, I'll meet you guys here in a few seconds once I get my stuff together and get the door locked. All right, and we're off. Nifty little power setup, you know. It's kind of like a dead short. You just slam it in there and then it connects. It connects all the power, so you have power. It's like some places use like the little key cards and stuff. This place is innovative, but yeah, number 57, pretty cool. Like I said, overall I'm pretty happy with the place. There's a 7-Eleven right around the corner. Now I ain't gonna lie, I have not been off the property other than down here to the beach since I got here, and but that's okay though. I was looking for a laid-back type ordeal. I wasn't trying to trek all over the island right away. But I mean, I'm going to today and tomorrow. But I've been here 2 nights. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is the restaurant. Great food. Reasonable prices too, like very reasonable. Oh wow. We're gonna have to lose the shoes already. Oh, it wasn't this high yesterday. Must be like high tide or something. So let's take you where I went yesterday. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, must be high tide. But like I said, I could walk down here in my shoes yesterday. I didn't get wet or anything. Try to get down here where there's more beach. Like way down there is where we're trying to go. It's beautiful today. There's a bar right above us. Yeah, that is Koh Samui over there. I'll be there in a few days. We'll get a good tour of that place too. Which I have videos from there, but they were in like my infancy of making videos, so they're okay. Hopefully I can do better this time. Be a perfect day to fly the drone. But we're heading down here to these rocks, and then we're gonna chill out and see what's going on. Okay guys, that was just a quick look at what's going around in the air around me. Hope you enjoyed, and if you ever make it over to Thailand, you ought to come down to beautiful Koh Phangan and hang out by the beach, because there's really nothing like it. So once again, thanks for watching. This is Zach with Savage Traveling. Peace.